Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the new topic that is concept of finance and corporate finance in the subject financial management and corporate finance. See, what is finance? Finance is very significant for any business. It is considered as lifeblood of a business because without finance, no business can start and they cannot proceed further. So finance is very much important for a business, and it is also considered as central point of a business. There are basically some approaches of finance. According to the first approach, the main function of finance is to provide money, funds to the business. According to this approach, the people who arrange for finance, they do not consider how the funds will be used in the business. In this approach, nothing was discussed how the money will be used in business, how we will use the money, how we will spend the money on different aspects. So according to the first approach, the main function of finance was to provide finance money to the business only. According to the second approach, the finance is related to each and every aspect of a business. Obviously, yes, finance is related to every activity, every department in the business, and these were considered as narrow approaches of finance function. Then later on, the third approach came into existence, that finance is related with raising of funds and their effective utilization. Yes, this is broad based because कोई भी बिजनेस है उन्होंने फंड्स रेज कर लिए, बट until and unless they know that how the funds will be used, then raising of funds is useless, or we can say the money will be wasted if we don't know how to use that money, where to spend that money, and how we can earn profit from the invested money. So according to this approach, they said that the raising of funds is important as well as their effective utilization is also very important. Here is the meaning of finance, that we can say this is the art and science of managing monetary resources, because finance is the major function of any business, and this is an art, that how we can collect money, what are the different sources of collecting the money, and how we are managing that money, how we are investing that, how we are spending money. So this thing is very important, and in finance we collect we collect money from different sources, like short-term funds we can arrange, long-term funds we can arrange funds for the working capital as well, and there are so many sources of funds, like we can issue share, we can issue debentures, and in shares we can issue equity shares, preference shares, and we can borrow money from public, from government, we can take loan. There are so many sources from where we can procure money, and it also manages the flow of money. Flow means like जहाँ से हमने money collect किया different sources से, now this is our term that how we can use that money. हम कहाँ पर उसे spend कर रहे हैं? We are spending money in the fixed assets, we are spending money in the current assets, or we are spending money on our working capital requirement. So there are so many ways we can spend our money. So this is the meaning of finance. Coming to corporate finance. Corporate means what? Corporate means a concern, a company, or a business organization. And here it is corporate finance. Like finance is related to the company. Corporate means anybody. It may be government, non-government. It may be any school or any organization is considered as corporate. So corporate finance में क्या आता है? Basically इसी से ही रिलेटेड है ये कि असेंबलिंग ऑफ न्यू फंड्स, हम नए फंड्स असेंबल कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से असेंबल कर सकते हैं? फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन कलेक्ट मनी. मैंने आपको बताया डिफरेंट सोर्सेज हैं हमारे पास. वी कैन इशू शेयर्स, वी कैन इशू डिबेंचर्स, वी कैन टेक लोन, वी कैन गो फॉर बोरोइंग और एनी अदर सोर्स, कहीं से भी हम जो है मनी कलेक्ट कर करते हैं. That we will discuss different sources and sources of finance in my new video. And it is the basic for continuing operations. See, when the business is started, business को funds चाहिए हैं startup करने के लिए. उसके बाद there are so many activities in the business. In those activities, all time money is required because in the company we have different departments, and without money a business cannot run. तो this is the basis for continued operations. अगर आपका business लंबे समय तक आप चाहते हैं कि रन हो, you need the proper capital requirement, a proper capital structure, optimal capital structure you require for your business. Now coming to nature of corporate finance, what are the features of corporate finance? See, first feature is financial activity. Obviously this is a financial process. Corporate finance क्या है? इसमें financial activities आती हैं, that how we can arrange money, how we can spend money. So a whole procedure is there. This is a financial activity. Another is it is objective oriented. Obviously yes, a business has some objective जिनकी वजह से वो establish हुआ है. Objective may be any, like sales maximization, profit maximization, customer satisfaction, maximization of wealth of the shareholder, and it can be the objective can be any of a company. So corporate finance is objective oriented. Suppose our main objective is to satisfy our customer, तो उसके लिए क्या होगा? starting from the manufacturing of the product till the after sales services, there is a whole process. और उसके लिए क्या requirement रहेगा? Money का requirement रहेगा. Then we have different types of finance. We have basically three types of finance. One is long term requirement, another is working capital requirement, third is medium term requirement. तो long term capital requirement में क्या रहता है? जिसमें हम fixed assets में invest करते हैं, that is considered as long term. Then we have working capital requirement. उसमें क्या रहता है? डे टू डे जो ऑपरेशंस होते हैं बिजनेस के, जैसे कि सपोज रॉ मटेरियल परचेज करना है, वेजेस हैं और एनीथिंग, तो वर्किंग कैपिटल में क्या आता है? डेली के जो ऑपरेशंस होते हैं, और उसके लिए अगर हमें मनी की रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है, दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट और वर्किंग कैपिटल मनी. थर्ड वी हैव द टाइप्स ऑफ फाइनेंस इज मीडियम टर्म रिक्वायरमेंट, जो लाइक फ्रॉम 1 to 5 years तक के लिए अगर कंपनी को रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है फंड्स की, लाइक फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट और समथिंग एल्स, तो उसको हम जो है मीडियम टर्म कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट से फुलफिल करते हैं. सो वी हैव थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फाइनेंस इन अ बिजनेस. रिलेशनशिप विद अदर डिपार्टमेंट, ऑब्वियसली यस, corporate finance is related with so many departments. We have production department in our company, we have sales department, we have research department, we have marketing department. So many departments are there in the company, and each and every department require funds. And from where do they get funds? From finance department. And how the finance department is managing the funds? Through financial management. Because if the money is not managed in the company, then it will be of no use to the other departments, and business cannot run in the long run. Another is dynamic in nature. The finance function is of such kind that it can not be fixed. क्योंकि क्या रहता है, इकोनॉमी में सडन चेंजेस आ जाते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी इंटरनल चेंजेस इन द कंपनी, एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस इन द एनवायरनमेंट, so many changes are there, so we cannot plan for the fixed amount. So the requirement of money is dynamic in nature, and we can spend money according to the scenario. And obviously yes, it is very important part of business management, because I told you, because all other departments, they depend for the funds on finance department, and if the finance department is not able to arrange or manage the flow of funds, then the company will not run in future. So corporate finance जो है, it is very important part of business management. I hope you got this concept, and thank you so much.